day everyone, I'm Cedric Lance Doclara Tejada from BSBH HR 3F. Today, I will introduce to you my union, which is Sulong Gulong Union. This union shows to all jeepney drivers that they're not lonely when it comes fight for their rights. So, to mission, to unite, empower, and protect the rights and interests of jeepney drivers and operation, promoting a safe, efficient, and sustainable public transportation system that benefits our members and passengers and to the community. So, to advocate for a safe, effective, and sustainable public transportation system that benefits our members, passengers, and the community by uniting, empower, and defending the rights of interests of jeepney operation and drivers. So, the next envision to be leading advocate for the jeepney industry, driving progress and prosperity to our members, and providing a reliable, environmentally friendly, and culturally iconic transportation and service that reach the lives of Filipino commuters. So, we provide Filipinos with reliable, environmentally responsible, and culturally iconic transportation system while advocating for the jeepney industry and ensure the prosperity of the drivers. So here is the union of Urong Sulong benefits. Number 1, collective bargaining power. Unions can negotiate better working conditions and fair wages with the government and transport authorities. This can lead increased income and improved benefits for drivers. So number 2, access to loans. Unions can pool resources and access loans from bank to purchase modern jeepneys which individual drivers might struggle to obtain in their own. So this helps drivers upgrade their vehicles and calmly with the modernization program. So number 3, shared costs and provide profits. Unions can share operational and management expenses, potentially benefiting from shared costs. This can reduce individual financial burdens and improve overall efficiency. And number 4, government benefits. Drivers become formally employed, entitling them in moderately social security, health insurance, and housing benefits to improve their overall well-being financial security. And 5, training and development. Unions can organize training programs to drivers, enhancing their skills and knowledge and promoting safe driver practices. Good day everyone, I'm Cedric Lance D. Tejada from BSBA HR3F. I'm graduated in elementary school from Nabotas Elementary School 1, and also I'm graduated in Nabotas National High School, and I'm graduated in Nabotas National Senior High School.